In this Case Management Hub tutorial, you'll learn how to add a client using an online form. This is a very helpful flow if you have certain clients that can't set up a client account. So first, we'll start with the online form link. I'm going to Intake Forms. And I'll be showing you some of the form settings to help you understand what happens when someone fills out an online form. For more details on the online form, you'll want to look at that specific tutorial. So I'm going to open my active form, which is not published online yet. When someone creates a link to a form, in other words, they publish it to make it an online form, there are certain settings that you can put in place. First, I'm going to add my URL. Now, these are the settings you're going to want to pay attention to, especially the unique identifier. A unique identifier helps avoid creating duplicate entries, especially if you're using an online form where someone can fill it out without being logged into the system. That means they don't need to be logged into a client account to fill out the online form. That's one of the reasons it's helpful to use the online form if someone can't have a client account. For instance, they don't have easy internet access all the time, or they don't have an email address to use. When you select a unique identifier, which can be either the email or the phone number, when the form is submitted, the system will look for that unique identifier on an existing record. For example, if you select phone as the unique identifier, then when someone fills this out with their phone number, if that phone number matches an existing record, this form will be added to the existing client instead of a new client being created. If the system does not find the phone number, then it will create a new client if the Create Client Profile box is checked. I'm going over a few of these settings so you understand how the form acts. Now, a couple other settings can be automated. For example, you can have a staff member automatically assigned to the client as their caseworker. You can also automatically assign a client type. You can also automatically assign the client to a program. All this will happen when the form is filled out, so it will save you some time. Now I'm going to choose phone as the unique identifier for this form. Now here I can grab that link. I can click to share and copy that link. But what happens if I need to send this link to someone tomorrow? I'll show you how to get to the form link from the main dashboard. So now we have our form and we've published it online. Now we'll see the share link and the view online form buttons. So if I have a new client and I need to send them a text or an email to fill out an intake form, I can go to my forms. And then I'll find the form I need. And I can simply click Share Link, and it's going to copy that URL to my clipboard. Okay, now let's say I'm the individual that you just sent that online form link to. So I'll go to the link, and I don't need to be signed into any platform to fill it out. Although if I have a client account, I can log in. And that individual can submit the online form back to you. Now let's go check out that new form submission. I'll go to Intake Forms, and I'll look for the pertinent form. Here under the Completed column, I'll be able to see all new online form submissions for that form. And here I can see the one that just came in. This will let me see the actual form submission. And here I can go to the client's profile page. Remember, because the box to create a client profile with this form was checked, it automatically created that new profile because it was a unique phone number. And here I'll also see the submitted form on their Forms widget. And so that's how it's easy to create a new profile from an online form.